is something fantastic which I don't make for a very long time, and I decided to give you guys. Now, I've been doing a lot of detoxing and weight loss and all sort of different kind of drink over the last couple of days, all right? But today I'm going to be giving you guys a beautiful, fantastic drink, something which is a long time I don't even do something like this. And I said to myself, why not go in the kitchen and try and make a nice, lovely weight loss recipes or something different for my audience. You know what I mean? I'm always making like a lot of weight loss and detoxing and cleansing of the body, all different kind of drink. Okay, now I'm gonna give you here's just a big up yourself, man. Thank you so much for coming on the show. We appreciate the love, man. Yes, everything is good. I'm just gonna make a beautiful drink for weight loss purpose. And I mean, a lot of people still talking about the weight loss. I got a lot of recipe for weight loss. All right, guys. So the first thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some cucumber. All right, that's one of the first thing we're gonna do. I have roughly about half of a cucumber. I don't need to show you guys how to cut up cucumber. It's also very easy to cut up cucumber. All right. So we're gonna get some cucumber into the blender. Hope you guys can see, because this blender is a blender which I use to do a lot of different kind of ingredients, and that's why it looks like that kind of way. Lovely. Yeah, so we got cucumber inside of the blender, which is that what we need to make the difference. Also, we're gonna get a piece of a ginger. All right. We got some ginger. Put some ginger straight inside of it. We're gonna get a nice, lovely flavor from the ginger also. Now, a lot of people doesn't believe in weight loss and detoxing and all these things. When you eat rice and peas, chicken, beef, lamb, and certain kind of things on the day before, definitely you want to do a detoxing of your body the next day. If you're drinking alcohol and all that stuff that will rest on your liver, you need to cleanse the liver and cleanse the body. A lot of people eating a lot of greasy food, and it doesn't even take the time to detox their body and cleanse the body. Now, I'm going to be giving you a drink where I can do detoxing, weight loss, and also cleansing of the body. Now, check out this one. And the drink one I'm going to give you is just ordinary ingredients where, to be honest with you, you can get these at the local shop or the supermarket, all right? So we're going to put some parsley. I got some fresh parsley, which I'm going to put also inside of it. And these, you can get these at the local shop or the supermarket for buy. All right, you don't have to go out of the way and get these kind of ingredients. Also, I have some fresh mint, which I'm gonna put also inside of it. So right here, I have some fresh mint. I'm gonna put into the blender. So we got cucumber, ginger, parsley, and fresh mint into the blender. All right. So you want to make sure, you know what I mean, get these into it just like this. All right. Yeah, beautiful one. As you can see, that is fantastic. All right. Now, detoxing of the body is a very, very important thing where a lot of people doesn't know. Now, we're going to get half of a lemon. And the lemon one I'm going to be using, I'm going to remove the skin from the lemon. All right. And once I remove the skin from the lemon, then I'm just gonna simply cut it into half and put it into the blender just like this. Okay, straightforward. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some apple cider vinegar, because you see apple cider vinegar play a big role where a lot of people doesn't know. So you're a person who are eating chicken and rice and beef and lamb and pork and all sort of food you eat. Is sometimes you have to take the time and cleanse the body, guys, to be honest with you, because you wash your plate, you clean your house, but you don't take the time to cleanse the body. Overton Stone, thank you so much for coming on the show. We're going to put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in the cup. All right, then we're going to add some water. Roughly about half cups of water into the blender. All right. What we're going to do, we're going to make some noise. All right, we're going to blend up this and make some noise. I just blend this, guys, and I'm gonna make you guys see exactly. So what you want to do, you want to try and drink it like this. It's gonna be a little bit rough because of the flat parsley and also the mint, but them all blend out. So the longer you're gonna run your blender, is it better for you. Now, the only thing I'm simply saying to you, if you're a person who love your meat and love to eat certain kind of food, like on the weekend, you probably may go to a barbecue, you may go for a dinner. You know, the next day you need to cleanse your body, guys. You know what I mean? You wash up your plate at your house, you clean your house, but you do not cleanse your body. And that's the question I want to ask up till today. Why we do not like to cleanse our body. All right. Now you could put some sea moss into this, but we're not gonna add any sea moss into it. We're just gonna keep it really simple and also very delicious at the moment. Now I'm gonna give you one more recipe, which is gonna be a very powerful recipe, and then I'm gonna close the show because this one is gonna be something definitely you guys gonna wanna need to try and make